We're here at Oracle AI Live London. We're exploring the different use cases for AI in the different industries and how AI can help make processes better, quicker, and enhance customer experience. We have expert sessions, we have one-on-one meetings with them. We also have different activations to explore in real life and experience what AI can do for you.
It's been super inspiring, a way for us to be able to think of the art of the possible, especially in our sector of retail, and the balance of how we bring AI into the real world.
We've had very interesting conversations that have spanned everything from how do we start experimenting to real outcomes and benefits from AI.
Here are my horizons, and they've just been expanded by 10 orders of magnitude or more.
We're here at Oracle AI Live London with the Oracle Red Bull Racing takeover to allow fans to get up close to our simulators and our car, bringing us closer to our fan base.